Department of Commerce, Tripura University, under the supervision of Dr. Shubir Kumar Sen, Associate Professor, Tripura University, Department of Commerce. First of all, I would like to thank the organizing committee for giving me this opportunity to present in front of you all. My topic is entitled Investigation of Supply Chain at the Zonal Level in TTAADC, Application of Traveling Salesman Problem. I would like to start with a brief introduction of the background and the context of the study and the need of the study. TTAADC is Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, which was established on March 23, 1979 to preserve and protect the indigenous tribes' rights, cultures, and customs under the 6th schedule of the Constitution. The council headquarters are located at Khumlung, West Tripura, headed by an elected chairman and its members. The geographical area of the TTADC is roughly about 67%, and which is the majority of the state of Tripura. And the council headquarters is located at Khumlung, headed by an elected chairman and its members. So the need of the study, coming to the need of the study, the Tripura has been suffering from the phenomenon of smooth surface transformation for a long time. So it is crucial to study and evaluate the road infrastructure network of Tripura. And presently, 19 indigenous tribes live in the state of Tripura, which are distinct to each other. So starting with the objective, the objective is to determine the possibility of an optimal route choice system for logistical requirements and the economic feasibility for efficient delivery of facilities from the ADC headquarters located at Khumlung to different subzonal offices. So what is supply chain management? The supply chain management is an integrated process through which raw materials are changed into a final product that is distributed to the consumer via distribution facilities, retailers, or both. Suppliers comprise the procurement, and manufacturers are concerned with the production, and the retailers with consumers. They comprise the supply chain process, and each step may occur at several facilities or corporations in tiers, homogeneous units of specific facilities. Now, this study has found that the internal network is not efficient enough to inculcate for the regional economic development, and this study proposes on using the traveling salesman problem, which is the process of identifying the quickest and the most effective route a person has to take given a set of specific destinations. That is the quickest and the most effective route. And we are going to use the VRP spreadsheet solver, which is basically a variant of the TSP, the traveling salesman problem. It is an Excel-based software which will give us the most optimal route for a fleet of vehicles operating out of a base. Now, VRP is important because it will help us to identify the most efficient route in terms of fuel consumption, minimize the carbon emissions, and reduce the delivery costs associated with the last mile delivery. Now, this study has found that the existing national highway network passes through the hilly terrains, making it unsafe for the passage of large vehicles, and there is the need to connect all the zones in the ADC areas with the non-ADC areas for the advancement and the regional economic development of the region, as well as to reduce the regional disparities. To conclude, I would like to say that this study will enrich society and will be beneficial, particularly for the researchers and the tools by constructing a database of road networks and subzonal offices in TTADC areas and investigate the optimal route for delivering of facilities. Thank you.